Hey there, ever wondered how life on Earth began? Today I'm diving into the fascinating story of cells and how they kick-started life as we know it. So let's rewind about 3.8 billion years. Picture a young Earth, a place of fiery volcanoes, lightning storms and oceans of boiling water. Not exactly a vacation spot, right? But this chaotic environment was the perfect setting for a miraculous event, the birth of life. In these primordial oceans, we find a mix of chemicals like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. These elements are the building blocks of life. Through a series of complex chemical reactions, simple molecules began to form more complex structures. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Scientists believe that under just the right conditions, these molecules combined to form the first cell, the basic unit of life. This cell was incredibly simple. Imagine a tiny bubble of oily liquid just a few micrometers across, floating in the ancient seas, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This tiny cell was capable of something extraordinary. It could replicate itself. And in doing so, it laid the foundation for all life on Earth. Over millions of years, these simple cells evolved and diversified. They learned to harness energy from their environment, split into more specialized forms, and even group together to form multicellular organisms. Fast forward to about 600 million years ago, and we see the rise of complex life forms. From tiny, single-celled organisms, life had evolved into a dazzling array of creatures. Plants, animals, fungi, all rooted in that pioneering first cell. But how do we know all this? Thanks to the fossil record, we can trace the lineage of life back to these early cells. And modern science, with tools like genetic sequencing, allows us to peek into the very blueprints of life. Every living organism on Earth shares a common ancestor, that first cell. So the next time you look around, remember that everything you see, from the tallest tree to the smallest insect, owes its existence to the humble beginnings of those early cells. Pretty mind-blowing, right? The story of life on Earth is a testament to the incredible power of evolution and the resilience of life itself. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world. See you next time.